Whatever breaks, you've got this. Powered by the How-Fixit Opening Pry Tool Kit, every repair starts and finishes like a pro. Our professional-grade plastic ESD spudgers include everything you need for safe electronics repair. Easily disconnect cables, separate housings, and open connectors without risking damage from static electricity or short circuits. With ergonomic designs and anti-static protection, these versatile plastic tools are specifically crafted for precision, efficiency, and safety during repairs. Perfect for disassembling laptops, game consoles, computers, drones, remote controllers, and more. When strength is needed, our metal double-sided spatula and high-tech metal-thin pry tool handle tough repairs effortlessly. Durable, reliable, and perfect for separating sturdy housings and glued components. Finish every job the right way. Whether you're clearing dust from a laptop fan or freshening up a gaming console, all electronics cleaning should be done with an anti-static brush. Protect sensitive components from static discharge and ensure long-lasting device performance. The How-Fixit Opening Pry Tool Kit, designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Repair confidently, repair safely. How-Fixit, tools you can trust.